What do you feel about celebrities who never claim their identity and now all of a sudden it's beneficial to them and they're Haitian? For example, let's take Maxwell for example.
Child.
Well, I never knew Maxwell was Haitian until January 10th, 2010.
The earthquake.
Yes.
Child.
And
that earthquake happened and everybody put out their flags. I'm like, oh,
no, like Maxwell, for example, like the reason why I chose him as an example is because, per my sources, he has been, a little not upset, but he's a little butthurt that the community is, going in on him. When he waves his Haitian flag or when he tries or acts Haitian. Yeah. It's like, bro, you 45 years old, bro.
We never knew.
Bro, we found out you were Haitian in 2010.
Bro, they were saying Haitians brought AIDS here. Where were you?
Right.
Where were you? Like, my nigga. Like,
it's like, we can't be Haitian we can't be Haitian when it's good for you. You gotta be Haitian when it's bad.
Listen, they said Haitians brought AIDS. You ain't say shit. President Clinton and them was stealing money. You ain't say shit. Shit, we went through Ali's tea. You ain't say shit. Right. Like, we done got through so much as a Haitian community and you didn't say anything. Then the earthquake happens and everybody doing these little benefit concerts. Right. Everybody doing these little telethons. Everybody getting their little clout.
Right.
And that's when you say something. Now, granted, I'm happy that he acknowledged that, but a part of me really hates when Haitians do that, where it just makes me feel like you're doing it for clout. Like, you did it because it's okay now.
You do anything for clout.
Yeah, exactly. Like, okay, it's the cool thing now. Oh, yeah, I'm Haitian. Oh, I ain't tell you I was Haitian anymore. No, bitch. You need to come out the room. When I came out the room, I was saying, pour le pays. Right. Like, when the doctor pulled me out my pussy, I was, pour les ancêtres, marchons unis. Like, I came out singing that shit.
Facts.
Okay?
Right.
So I need y'all to keep that same motherfucking energy.
Right.
Don't wait till it's
quick for Maxwell to be like, kumbaya, we are the world.
Ain't no we are the world, nigga. We gonna let you slide because we need this right now, but bitch, we ain't forget.
Right.
You did not want to
forget. Like, I'm telling Maxwell right now, you could come here, we could interview, we could talk, you could come to Sejoe space, we could talk. However, you're 45 now.
My nigga,
when the earthquake happened, you were 36. Okay? So you got 36 more years for us to go in
exactly. On and you know what? I mean, shit. Before the earthquake, I ain't even see Maxwell eat a bowl of ziri and legumes. So, right. So it's cute.
It's cute.
But
don't be crying.
Exactly.
Don't be
crying. I can't. No. But yeah, definitely. I feel like everybody. Listen. Now is the time. And even though, like, even with me, like, people was, oh, it's great how you do this, you use it, you talk about being Haitian all the time. But, even recently, like, I was on a show with someone where the creator of the show is Haitian, and I would speak Creole, and it was like I was shunned upon. Like, it was shunned upon. Like, or, yes, I ain't gonna say the show's name, but yes, like, even sometimes I would be speaking Creole, and the subtitles would say Spanish speaking. Ma'am, you're the creator of the show, you're Haitian. Like, make sure these motherfuckers know what the fuck I'm saying. You know what I mean?
Right.
Because you make sure that the Hispanics get to know what the Hispanics saying. Right. Bitch, make sure that they know what us are saying too. Fact. That we saying, they know that I'm saying hello. Like, damn. Sakase, everybody know what the fuck that mean. Like, why the fuck is it not made clear that she's saying, how are you? What's up? You know what I mean? So it's still kind of shunned upon. I think just in the media, sometimes it's a little shade, but I feel like the more of us, if the more of us come out and we're more vocal, we vocalize, like, we're proud, like, we speak more Creole. Like you said, put it in the music, you know what I mean? Like, I had a song that I'm speaking Creole in it, and I plan on keeping that same energy. I plan on every project having at least one song where, I'm saying something, and it doesn't have to always be the same thing, the same sakpase. No, like, having dialogue, full-on dialogue, saying a full statement, in Creole, because people need to know, like, we out here, we ain't going nowhere, we are excellent. Black excellence does not exist without Haitian excellence. Right. Literally. This country's history does not exist without Haitian history. And that's factory, period.